This episode follows young trailblazers who turned ambition into wealth before turning 25, showing concrete tactics and mindsets. Palmer Luckey built Oculus Rift at 19, selling to Facebook for $2 billion, proving hardware startups can explode overnight. The Collison brothers started Stripe in their early 20s, redefining online payments and creating enduring wealth through scalable software. From early setbacks to relentless testing, they highlight grit, disciplined budgeting, and choosing capital-efficient bets. The series blends stories with practical steps like validating ideas, building lean teams, and reinvesting profits to fuel repeat breakthroughs.